Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we had something arrive in the house. It is from the Uni brand that most of us know for making pens and pencils and other supplies. With the new year comes new experiences, challenges, and opportunities. Here's to taking each moment to inspire creativity, make your mark, and start your story. Uni. So this is what is called the Uni Fresh StartKit. And I think they had it on sale for $19.99. And I have a couple of their pens, just a couple of their like black pens. They're white, and I even have one that has like an olive colored body. But they're really known for making Posca Paint pens. So let's take a look and see what's in this. It says your all-in-one back-to-school box. So and they even have a list up here telling you exactly what you have. So the first thing you'll see is you have these. They're called the Uni 1, and these are like a gel ink. These are medium, and they are 0.7, and these colors show you the color of the ink. So we've got a black, kind of like a peacocky blue or a sky blue, a red, and a violet. And it says, Uni 1 delivers innovative ink technology for bold, vivid writing without smearing or bleeding. A strong wire clip provides easy attachment to folders or notebooks. Now this right here is the Uni Kuru Toga. It is a pencil that is 0.7, and it has smudge-proof lead, and they even give you extra number 2 lead, so you can use it on your little Scantron tests if you have to take one of those. It says precisely capture every mark with the self-sharpening Kuru Toga pencil. Kuru Toga delivers crisp, vivid lines every time with this unique, durable, diamond-infused lead. Interesting. And then here you can see there are 2 highlighters. The Uni Propus Window in a smoke gray and a smoke blue. Very similar to those mild liner colors. Oh, these are the ones that have that little window that you can see through. It says the Uni Propus Window Highlighter features an innovative transparent window on its tip that allows you to see exactly where you highlight. This highlighter is double-sided with a 0.4 on this side, 0.4 millimeter fine point marker. Okay, and then the last thing you have here is a Posca, a Uni Posca. This is the Posca PC IMR, or 1MR. Is the ideal water-based paint marker for small format creations. The extra fine 0.7 millimeter calibrated tip is fine for writing, but dense enough for drawing, making it the perfect paint marker for coloring, scrapbooking, or providing strong, precise markings. And they consider it the extra fine. So I have a notebook here with just a simple pen and gear, like an everyday notebook you would get at Walmart. So we're not using like fancy paper here. So you can see it's a plastic barrel, and you can buy refills for these. If you like the barrel, you can see it unscrews. And it's very similar to like a G2, like a Pilot G2. And it does have that little plastic thing on the end, since it's a gel pen. So Uni 1, 0.7, black. Let's get the blue one out. We gotta do the same thing. Blue. Pretty color. It's actually a nice red. Sometimes reds, you know, are hard to produce a red ink, a good red ink. Purple. That's a pretty purple. Now, let's take a look at this mechanical pencil. So this is the Cura, and it says right there, Cura Toga 0.7, revolving action. Huh. So it keeps moving 0.7 to keep the tip point. Very nice. You can hear Miss Lila wants to see what we're doing. Now this is the one that has the window. So see how there's that space in the middle? That is so cool. I've never seen anything like that before. So this is the smoke blue, and this side is a 0.4. Let's see how these do on this paper. And then the other one is, if I can get it out, the same thing but in gray. So you can see how the tip has that little plastic window. And you can layer it, looks like, yeah, to get a darker color. Let's get the smoke blue, 0.4. And then the last thing they had is a Posca pen. I've never owned a real Posca pen. I've owned like other brands of acrylic paint pens. Let me get some scissors. Or actually, I wonder if you just twist it. Oh, yeah. That probably would have made sense to do. Didn't need the scissors. And these, there's a something plastic or metal in there, or a combination that you have to get the paint flowing. And then let's test it here. And then if you like pump it, think I need to shake it some more. But this is just a white paint pen. It's not gonna show up on here at all. There we go, see? White. White. And it's quite fine. Now, it will take the paint pen a while to dry, but let's take a look and see. Look at that. The only thing that started to go through was the highlighter where I had highlighted quite a bit. But look at that. This is a pen and gear notebook from Walmart. I think I paid all of like 70 cents because it was on sale. And look at that. They ghost a little, but even when I laid down the ink, it didn't bleed through. So these little notebooks are really good. I've heard they're great with fountain pen ink. I haven't tried it, and I'm not gonna try it because today we're just looking at these new pens that we're gonna add to my collection of pens. We're gonna pull out my pen pouch. I moved into my original pen pouch by the Heat Lab that I got back in like 2015. I decided to pull it back out. And, you know, I've got like scissors in it and, you know, a Stadler pencil and a mild liner and an eraser. And these are gonna go in here as well. Maybe like 1 or 2 of the colors, not all 4. We'll start with the traditional colors. But I just wanted to share with you this fun little box that came to my house, just to let you know that you can get a little starter kit for your back to school. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.